KUAM News brought to you by GTA. We start with you, Subway and Chili's Grill and Bar.
The governor made the much-anticipated announcement on her Facebook page this afternoon.
For the last several hours, I once again reviewed the latest data concerning our COVID-19 cases and met with advisors. And I want to be clear and direct. Our situation is serious. Over the past several days, our island has witnessed a surge of positive COVID-19 cases. In the last 5 days alone, we have had consecutive days of triple-digit positive infection results. Hospitalizations have increased 300% in the last 2 weeks. There are 35 COVID hospitalizations between GMH, GRMC, and Naval Hospital, 5 of which are in the ICU. Of these 35 admissions, at least 20 are not vaccinated. The rising number of cases, the hospitalizations, and the growing pressure on our fragile healthcare system, among other factors, sends a clear signal that it is time to adjust our strategy.
Of primary concern has been the rise in cases at schools.
Data at this time does not indicate the existence of school clusters. I am being proactive about the eventuality of spread in our schools. I am receiving messages and calls concerning the fears and anxieties that our parents, teachers, and students are facing because of the increase in positive cases. I recognize that our children's education is critical, but my concern for their protection comes first. During this suspension, I want to assure you that Superintendent Fernandez, as well as the leadership of the private and charter schools, are working to assess other modes of learning.
Social gatherings seen as a main source of infections will be further restricted.
A limit on social gatherings to no more than 10 vaccinated persons indoors and 25 vaccinated persons outdoors, effective Monday, August 30th, 2021 at 8 a.m. Restaurant dine-in and bars remain at 100% vaccinated occupancy. All other limitations continue.
And the controversial vaccine mandate will also remain.
According to a study released by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, people who are not vaccinated are 29 times more likely to be hospitalized from COVID-19 than those who are fully vaccinated. Here at home, individuals who are not vaccinated are 32 times more likely to be hospitalized than their vaccinated counterparts. Should hospitalizations continue to rise, both COVID and non-COVID hospital beds will run out, and our frontliners will be forced to choose whose life to save. This is the reality across the globe, where even the best medical facilities are bursting at the seams. This is what we want to prevent. Throughout the pandemic, our island community rallied in support of our frontliners, and I ask that you continue to support them. The greatest gift you can give to our frontliners is getting fully vaccinated.
For Guam's News Network, I'm Nestor LeConte.
Vaccines are free. Vaccines